Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this body wave wig from Cranberry Hair. It comes in a cute pink little bag like so, and that's what the hair looks like straight from the box. I love the wave pattern, and it also comes with an eyelashes. So that's what the hair looks like. It is a very curly hair, and it has been pre-plucked straight from the box. It comes with 2 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. It's a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig, and it also comes with a center part, straight from the box. I showed you guys how I applied the wig on my head. It's just the same process as always. I applied the cap and I applied my got to be gel on it, then blow dried it and cut off the excess lace, excess cap. And after that I placed the hair on my head just to show you guys what the hair looks like before applying any products on the hair. So the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and it also has baby hair around the perimeters of it. As you can tell, the hair fits me from side to side. So I showed you guys how I cut the lace as well. I cut it in sections. The hair is a glueless wig, so you can decide not to apply glue or gel whatsoever on the hair, because it has an elastic strap at the back as well, which you can use to secure the hair in case you don't want to go for gel or glue. So depending on what you want or how long you want to wear the wig for, but if you want to keep taking it off every night, then feel free to use the elastic strap at the back to secure the hair. The most amazing thing is the fact that the hair fits me so perfectly, and the wig is so lightweight, so there was nothing for me to worry about if at all I actually started to go for the elastic band method, which is easy in case you want to take your hair off every night. But apart from that, I just decided to apply the got to be glue and the blasting spray because I would like to wear the hair for 2 to 3 days. So I blow dried it and placed the hair exactly on the areas where I applied the gel, and I press it down just to make sure that the hair is secured on my head and it's not going anywhere. I also blow dried it again just to be sure that the hair is in place, and I press it down really well, and that's all I did so far. And you're done. You can apply your scarf on the hair just to lay it down flat, but there was no need for me to do that because I was going for a side part with curls, so I didn't really have to do that. Anyway, you can style the hair and pat the hair anywhere you like, because it's a 13 by 4 lace. So I applied the got to be styling spray on the hair, and I decided to curl it. So you can go for any curl you like as well, but today I just felt like going for a very simple look because the hair felt so natural, and I also thought I've been using a lot of wand all this while, so there was no need for me to go for one curls today, although I prefer one curls. But today I just decided to go for something very simple and easy. And as you can tell already, the curls of the hair are popping, guys. This hair is really nice. I mean, the quality of the hair is amazing. As you can tell, there have been no shedding whatsoever, and the hair is really lightweight. But if you want that voluminous look, feel free to go for one curl. But for today, as I mentioned earlier, I want a simple look, and that's what I'm going for, which is why I use the curling you know tongue or whatever you call it anyway. So that's what the hair looks like, guys. The hair took the curls really well. So I also decided to show you guys the wand curl at the end of the video, just to give you guys options of the look you can go for wearing this hair. So at the end of the video, I ended up restyling my parts because I guess I had too much powder on the part, but I actually ended up applying my spray to make the part look natural. So, and the hair also comes with a center part, so if you're the type that doesn't know how to pluck your hair, or you don't know how to put part on your hair, then feel free to use the center part that comes straight from the box. But with this part I've got on me, I ended up applying certain spray on it because I actually did apply too much powder on the part. But never mind, it depends on what you want to go for. So that's the finished look, guys. Please stay tuned for the review. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for all your support. Look at the colors, guys. Look at the colors. I am loving it. Hi guys, so this is the finished look. This is what the hair looks like after coiling it. There are a lot of things that I noticed about this hair that I really liked, and the first thing I noticed was the fact that the hair felt really light on my head. It looks so natural. I like the way it is. It's not looking wiggy. It looks so natural, like my own hair. That's one of the things that I really like about this hair. It's very lightweight. It looks natural. It felt natural, and I like how soft the hair is. And the hair is by Cranberry Hair. I'm going to leave the details of the hair in the description box. The hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, so if you're the type that doesn't know how to pluck your hair, or you're worried about ruining your hair, then this has been done straight from the box for you. Another thing that I noticed about the hair is the fact when I wore the cap on my head, it felt like, how do I put it, it was so fit that there was actually no need for me to apply glue. But you know, I just had to go for the got to be glue just because I needed to wear the hair for like 2 days. So I really like how, you know, perfect the hair felt on my head. Apart from the fact that it felt so light on me, the cap and everything was just so natural. I didn't really feel that I was wearing any wig at all. I love the curl pattern straight from the box, but I decided to go for a loose wave, like a kind of beach wave look for today's look, because I don't want to keep doing tight curls every now and then, which would be really boring. So I decided to go for this beach wave kind of look. I am feeling that as well. But if you want to go for a tighter curls or a loose curl or any curls you want to go for, then feel free to do that, because you can style the hair anyhow you like. And also the wig is 13 by 6, so 13 by 4, so you have enough space to pat your hair anyhow you like or anywhere you like within the 13 by 4, you know, lace. So depending on what look you're going for. And another thing I like about the hair is the fact that the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. So if you like baby hair, then you're in for a treat, because there's baby hair around the perimeters of the hair. Lately I've not been feeling baby hair, so I didn't go for baby hair, but there is baby hair around the perimeters of the hair if you really want that as well. And I also like the fact that the hair does not have any nasty smell to it whatsoever. The hair felt really soft and silky to touch. As you can tell, there has been no shedding or tangling throughout the styling process of the hair. The fact that the hair is not shedding, there is also no tangling whatsoever or matting at all. You can already tell that the hair felt really silky to touch, and there has been no tangling whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair, as mentioned earlier. Also, another thing that I like about the hair is the fact that the hair comes with a center part straight from the box. So if you're the type that doesn't know how to pluck your parts, then that's a good thing. The type that likes center parts but you don't know how to pluck your hair because you don't want to ruin it, then that's also a bonus for you. You can actually, you know, wear the hair straight from the box with the straight center parts that came with the hair straight from the box. So depending on the look you're going for, the hair comes with 2 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, which means it will be easier for you to go with a ponytail look or half up, half down style. If you want to wear this hair, then there will be no bumps or humps, you know, while trying to style your hair, which is really nice. So it also comes with an elastic strap at the back, which you can use to secure the hair at the back without the need for applying any glue or gels. Last but not the least thing that I noticed about the hair is the fact that the quality of the hair is really amazing, guys. It's really amazing. As you guys can tell, while I was curling the hair, the curls were popping, like popping, guys. So I decided to brush out the curls for some reason. I don't know, I just decided to, you know, go for a simple look today. I don't know what's happening, but I quite love the, you know, wave pattern of the hair, and I love the fact that the hair took the curls really nicely. So if you want that natural looking hair that people would have to stare twice just to be sure if this is a wig or not, then I would definitely recommend this wig, because it felt so natural and lightweight on me. I can't even tell that I'm wearing a wig because it's so lightweight, and the hair also took to curls really well. So depending on the look you're going for. Hi guys, guess who's, you know, obsessed with the curly one? I couldn't just help myself. But anyway, I was just trying to show you guys that you can add volume to the hair if you like. But I didn't quite use the wand to curl everything. I just curled like, you know, 6 pieces or 8 pieces of hair just to give the hair tiny bit of volume. But if you like, you can curl everything to give it more volume. So depending on the look you're going for. So I just give volume to the hair depending on what you want to go for. As you can tell, the volume of the hair changed when I used the wand. That's why I kept going on about depending on the look you're going for, because now that I use the wand, it gives more volume to the hair, but I'm not going for a voluminous look today. I just wanted something simple, which was why I actually used the curler to curl it in the first place. But apart from that, I just wanted to show you guys the options that you've got with the hair, so you have nothing to worry about in terms of the curls. Tired of wearing the hair black, you can also bleach the hair, you can dye the hair if you like, so depending on the look you're going for. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one.